When you're in a market to buy a cooker, there is many options. There are many things you need to look at. Sometimes if you don't know what to look at, you might not even know if you have the right choice. My name is Kenyan and I'm going to take you through a journey of how to choose a correct cooker for your needs and what to look for a cooker. So this is just Save Home Appliances. We deal with cookers and all stuff, kitchen, home appliances. But today we just want to focus on the cooker part. So now, what do you look for a cooker? So there are three types of cookers. Way more, but let's take three parts of cookers. So there is cookers which look like this. So this is a cooker with no oven. This is a cooker with no oven. And you might wonder why would someone buy something like this. So let me show you. So in an instance that maybe you have your own oven, you don't need maybe a cooker with one, and you might fix it like this. This is an oven that I've fixed to show you. You can use that part to do that. So now, in case you want to use it, you can use it that way. So this is one reason why most people would prefer this over that, because that has two components, which is the lower part, which is the oven part, and the upper part, which is the cooking part. So this, if you have this, you're covered. And we're going to talk more about what do you look on the top part of a cooker. So most people would be looking for something similar to this, which is 4 gas burners. These are 4 gas burners, but you can see this is 3 gas burners. These are 3 gas burners and 1 electric hot plate. So if you're looking for something that maybe you want to use electricity, at the same time you want to use gas, this could be an option. Again, if you don't need the parts, if you don't need the oven part, you might as well consider this part. Now you might ask, what else do people look for in a cooker? Again, there are those people who use the hot plate as a primary source of cooking, and there is this type and there is this type. Notice the difference. There is the red dot right here, and this doesn't have. So what's the difference? So this works as well, but this one doesn't have as much heat as this. So if you want something that will cook faster, I would highly recommend you to take something like this one. So there's the second type of cooker that I want you to see. So this is all gas. This is all gas, and the purpose of all gas, or the meaning of all gas, is everything is powered by gas. The 4 gas burners are gas powered, and the oven part is gas powered as well. So for those people who do not want to use electricity, or there is little to no access of electricity, this is something that you might go for. So this comes in 50 by 55 dimensions. So this is 55 and 50. This is 55 by 50. So that is 50 dimension by 55. Same case as this. So this is the smaller dimension, and you have 60 by 60. So in my case now, I have 50 by 55, which is this one. The other type of cooker that you might need to see is something like this. This is 3+1. So this is 50 by 55, but it's 3+1. What 3+1 means is it comes with 3 gas burners and 1 electric hot plate. So there is many combination of that. You will see some having that situated at the end, and others in the front. So depending on the type of cooker, there are different varieties. So this is the same type of cooker. So this is Nunix, but this is the older version. This is newer. The newer one, they have it placed there, and then the older one had it placed on front. Mostly these type of cookers, they have their electric ovens. They have their ovens powered by electricity. So similar to this one, this is electricity powered, and this as well is electricity powered. So for your needs, If you need something electric, most probably you will get something with an electric hot plate. Most people as well might not need the electric plate most of the time. That is why now we have another cooker that can sort out that. This is Eurochef. This cooker comes with four gas burners. These are 4 gas burners. But this one comes with an electric oven. So this is an electric oven. So you have a choice if you need an electric oven, but if you don't need an electric plate, this is the kind of cooker you want to go for. Most people actually do not use the electric plate mostly, so they would want to maximize the point of having all of the burners to be gas burners. So this is an electric one and 4 gas burners. And this one, now this is another kind of option that you might want to go for. Now this brings us to the next type of cooker. Again, this was the same as the one I showed you previously, the all gas type, that it comes with 4 gas burners and a gas oven. But now sometimes you can have a point where you need now to combine all those features. You might need to have maybe the bigger size. You might need to have 60 by 60. You might need to have an electric hot plate. You might need even to specify that you need an electric hot plate which has a red dot. Remember, we've said when you see an electric plate with a red dot like this one, this cooks faster. So the name of this one is rapid hot plate. So sometimes you might need something like this in your cooker. You might need more space, so you might need 60 dimensions by 60. You might need an electric oven, and you might need something of great quality. In case you need something like that, we might recommend something like this. So this is 60 by 60. So this is 60 by 60. This is 60 by 60. Now this is even spacious than the rest one. This comes with an electric hot plate, which is rapid hot plate. Comes with 3 gas burners, so you've combined an electric hot plate and the gas burners. And as well, you might need an electric oven. So this is like electric oven. So this is 60 by 60. This is something that you might look for. So we have many cookers that have this combination, and again you might need something that comes with a jet valve. So let's talk about jet valve in a minute. So jet valve, you see the valve there. This one controls the amount of gas consumed in such a gas. There are so many types of that one. So there is something like this as well. There is a valve inside. You can see the valve, but some others do not have that kind of a valve. So you see something like this one. This one is so hollow, nothing. This is the whole pipe. This is a whole pipe, so this does not regulate gas as much as these other ones. So most people, when they're looking for cookers, they might as well need something that comes with a jet valve, something that can easily regulate the amount of gas they use. So again, if you need to be economical, you might as well be wise when choosing the cooker that you need. But if gas is not a problem to you, then you don't need even to pay attention. So those are the things that most people look for. But again, you might have a big family, you might have a big kitchen, and you might need more space. You might need maybe to do things commercially. So this is something else that maybe you might be looking for. So this is now the bigger size. So now this is 90 by 60. Remember the one we said is 60 by 60? So this is 60 by 90. So this is way bigger for bigger kitchen, bigger spaces. And again, this has a different type of combination. Again, I'm showing you each component and showing you the kind of things that you might need in a cooker. So this now comes with 4 gas burners as well. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. But there is one type of burner that I need you to see. So this is different than these ones. And why is it different? I want you to see the size. First of all, let's talk about the size. It's so massive. So this is called a wok burner. A wok burner, what's the meaning of wok burner? A wok burner produces a lot of gas, but in a regulated manner. Remember, this comes again with a jet valve in a regulated manner, and it's designed to produce frames in these holes. You can see these holes. Frames comes out of these holes, so that if you have a big cooking pot, at least this one can circulate the heat evenly and at a rapid pace. So this is the gas rapid hot plate version. So this is the rapid hot plate version, but this is the gas one. So that is, you have one wok burner, 4 gas burners, and 1 hot plate. So you can have something like that one. And now something like this one, you get a chance to have 110 liters of oven. This is something big, and comes with a turbo fan. Now this is a different feature that now you're seeing. Turbo fan, you see those holes over there, those are there is 2 fans fixed there, and the purpose of the fan is to distribute the heat in the oven evenly. So if you want to distribute that heat without regulating more heat, then you turn on the turbo fan. So that's an extra feature. The good thing about this cooker is you have the combination of all these features in one cooker. And there's one more. Maybe you don't need the bigger size, you just need a smaller size, but now you want to combine whatever you're getting there into a smaller size. So this is 60 by 60. Again, this comes with a wok burner, 2 gas burners, and 1 electric hot plate. This is bigger. And again, this is an electric oven. So this is a feature if you want to combine now whatever you're getting here there. One last more feature that we didn't see in those. There is this part, the lower part. You see the lower part of that cooker? It's kind of a compartment. So this compartment is called a food warmer compartment. What does that do? So this is the oven part. Remember, this is an electric oven, but when you're using it, you want to maximize the energy that you're using. Again, we are for maximizing the energy. So this heat can keep your food warm if you have your food in the food warmer. So it's an extra feature that you don't get in every cooker, but this type of cooker comes with a food warmer. So there you go. This is the food warmer. Not every cooker comes with every feature here, so you need to figure out what kind of feature you need to when you're buying a cooker, so that now you can find a cooker that has those features. So you might need a combination of all gas. You have your choice. You might maybe need something that has 4 gas burners but electric hot plate. Remember, you have that choice. You might need as well a bigger size that comes with an electric hot plate, electric oven. You have such a feature. Now there's one more feature that remember, not all cookers have the same features. So there is this cooker. This comes with a thermometer that you can see the kind of temperature in the oven without even opening it. So the more temperature you raise here, at least it can be recorded here. So this is one of the cookers that comes with that kind of a feature. And again, remember, there is this feature. This is called a rotisserie grill. So you might want to grill your chicken, but you want it to be revolving in your cooker. So anytime you see a cooker that has this, just know that this comes with the capability to grill your chicken. So this is the rotisserie grill, and yeah. So for whatever you want in a cooker, there is a combination of a cooker that has it. Not every cooker will have every feature that we've talked about, but at least you'll have something that you don't want to compromise, or maybe something that you need to compromise. So this is just Home Appliances. Our number will be on the screen, on the description below. If you need something, the cooker, maybe you need more clarification, don't hesitate to call. My name is Ken, and hope to see you there.